Drawing support and resistance levels in TradingView is essential for technical analysis and identifying potential areas of buying and selling interest. Here's how to draw them. Select Drawing Tool. In the toolbar located at the top of the TradingView chart, select the Drawing Tools icon. From the drop-down menu, choose the Trendline tool. Identify support and resistance areas. Identify significant price levels where the market has historically reversed or stalled. These levels can be based on previous swing highs and lows, pivot points, or psychological levels. Draw support lines. To draw a support line, click on the lowest swing low point on the chart, then click on the next relevant swing low point. This creates a diagonal line connecting the lows. Draw resistance lines. Similarly, to draw a resistance line, click on the highest swing high point on the chart, then click on the next relevant swing high point. This creates a diagonal line connecting the highs. Adjust and fine-tune. You can adjust the placement and angle of the trend lines to ensure they align with the price action accurately. Label and annotate. Optionally, you can label the support and resistance lines for clarity by adding text annotations or price labels. Save drawing. Once you've drawn the support and resistance lines, save your analysis by clicking the Save button in the top toolbar.